I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Coinbase Wallet. First, download the Coinbase Wallet app from your device's app store. Once installed, you'll either create a new wallet or import an existing one using your recovery phrase. Remember to set a strong password and enable biometric security for maximum protection. This initial setup is crucial for safeguarding your digital assets. Now that your wallet is set up, let's get some funds in there. You can easily transfer cryptocurrency from your Coinbase exchange account directly to your wallet. Alternatively, receive crypto from another wallet by sharing your public address. For convenience, you can also purchase crypto directly within the app using a linked payment method, making it simple to get started. Sending and receiving crypto is straightforward. To send, simply enter the recipient's wallet address or scan their QR code for quick entry. Always double-check the address before confirming any transaction. To receive, just share your unique public wallet address with the sender. Transactions typically process quickly, often within minutes, depending on network congestion. Coinbase Wallet isn't just for storing crypto. It's your gateway to Web3. Use the in-app browser to explore a vast array of decentralized applications, or dApps. You can also view and manage your non-fungible tokens, or NFT, directly within the wallet. Connect securely to various DeFi protocols and other exciting Web3 experiences, expanding your digital possibilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.